emissivity, the emission, and the reflectance. Okay. So, can you give me now an example of a high SRI and a low SRI? In the board, we have the asphalt. Siyempre, init na init yan. Itim yan. Absorb na absorb. Nakikita mo nga. Yung asphalt, nalulusaw di ba? And then you have white concrete, mas maganda. So if you are going to coat this with what you have, will be reflection ng sun. The sun. Okay? Oh, may exam mamaya. Okay. So, ang roofing materials, yan ang mga sinasabi natin. 78 ang SRI mo. Kapag greater than 78, ito naman sa steep slope 29. Ito yung mga, sino mga engineers, yung mga AST. Ang ibig sabihin ng ASTM? Okay. Unfortunately, ang lead is based sa Amerika, kaya start to say, puro ng AST. ASTRAE. Sino may alam ng ASTRAE? Yes, pare. Okay. Ito, yun ang dapat yung ma-memorize. Okay, ito naman ang tinatawag natin sa roofing material. So, as you know, kung ganito ang SRI mo, okay, 107, you can see that the rise in temperature is very small. But if it is low, then it is very high. We talk about solar reflectance and infrared emittance. Infrared means heat rays. Still remember your electromagnetic spectrum in college? You have the visible light, and then you have the ultraviolet, which is infrared. Oh, did you enjoy your... How did you enjoy elementary science for math? You would like to discuss that in a very relaxed way, not how your teacher tell teacher. Okay? So, alam na ninyo yung SRI. Okay? Yung water efficient. Dapat, ang plants na itatanim sa mga roof gardens are native and adapted. Baka naman, okay, may roof garden ka na, ang laki naman ginagamit na tubig. So, this is the very purpose of that. Okay? So, may soil and climate analysis. Okay? Water technology. Dapat, you must consider in selling yung tinatawag natin IPC, the International Plumbing Code, or the UPC, the Universal Plumbing Code, water sense, yung mga standards ng EPA. So, ang ibig ko sabihin, pag kayo, you, to your client, you must discuss your products intelligently. SRI, runoff coefficient, because ang mga clients naman, mas more mga engineers. If you talk with the Swedish people, if you talk with Layton, if you talk with a lot of these clients, Pastorella, and Talma, and the others, they are now very intelligent na sila because they're learning what LEED is all about. Okay? They have all of these seminars on this. So tomorrow, I am going to gather all of the suppliers of Sweden for this lecture. Kaya if you notice my first slide, anong date? It's May 6 and May 7. Diba? Because tomorrow, ito rin ang gagawin dito sa kanila. Good, banata rate. Okay, so, ano kayo consider kung magtitinda kayo ng water closet or urinals or faucet, shower heads? You must consider now the gallons per flush. The gallons per minute. Yung shower head, okay? Dapat i-rated. Kasi shower is not really, it's very, very inefficient. Ang pinaka-efficient na pagliligo, you take a taupo. No? So, syempre, yung iba, you know, ang kultura, gano'n. So, you must tell your clients how many gallons per flask, how many gallons per minute, is it aerated, is it waterless urinals, or how do you have, ang waterless urinals mo yun, dapat horizontal yung pipe, hindi dapat gano'n. Dual piping, okay, gray water, What do you do with the gray water and the black water? What's the difference between gray water and black water? Every state has their own definition. Okay, so yung black classical is feces in fecal matter. Okay, so that's how you discuss it with them. And then you can also sell what female waterless urinals for that matter. Okay. Okay, so material reuse. So we're now going. Ito naman ang pag magtitinda kayo sa isang LEED certified and you are the supplier, bibigyan kayo nila ng pagaling. I cannot give this to you because this is internal. Dito, so mag-pick it up kayo dito. I cannot really discuss ko na yun. Okay? So, una, mag-ilipat ka lang ito. Tawag na photographic kasi. So, yan ang ibibigay sa inyo at i-pick up sa inyo. So, material reuse. Ang ibig sabihin ng isang green building is using salvage, refurbish, or reuse material. Of course, to reduce the demand for virgin materials and reduce waste. Okay? For materials, pwedeng salvage brick, timber, stone, or pavers. And then you, as the supplier, must confirm that they do not contain toxic. Kasi nung una, mga walls, mga insulation, asbestos. Okay? So, what you can do is you can do old buildings, for example. What can you do? That is a business. Because if you sell that to constructing green buildings, for example, sa Ayala Labang Nata, mayroong store ng mga architectural yung mga old buildings. Yung mga art co, and if you want to go to the heritage sa Bagat, so they based on the old buildings. So this is one business that you can use. So here are the definition of refurbished materials. Okay. Remanufactured materials. Okay, are made up into other. One example is concrete that is crushed and used as sub-base. Solid-base materials are construction materials recovered from existing buildings or construction sites. So common to the structural beams, you can use that again, the posts, the floorings, the doors, the cabinets, brick, and decorative items. One of the materials they use, how many of you get to the Cinema University? Di ba yung kanilang kanilang oldest structure there? It came from a theater at Broadway. But Dr. Malayan told me, the president of the university. So materials reuse yun. Okay. Then, we talk about recycled content. Ngayon, ang sinusolve ng green buildings, to gain a credit, the building must use 10% or better, 20% of the post-consumer and 1/2 of the pre-consumer. Okay? Again, technical terms. Post-consumer saka pre-consumer. Ano ang mga products natin na may recycled? Sino ang may products na may recycled content? Ano pong products yun?
Acoustic board.
Acoustic board, definitely sa kailangan po. Ano ang bakit nakaka-point sila dahil sa recycled ang isang building? Dahil sa mabigay kayo ng isang common na ginagamit na recycle kaya mataas. Because you get 10% of the cost. Ang unit is the cost. So, ang unang takunin mo, the most expensive material in a building that must be recycled dapat eh. Kasi you must get the cost of the recycled material and over all of the costs. And if you get 10% of that, then you get a point. If you get 20%, then you get 2 points. Okay? Example. Ang Bird's Nest naging LEED certified na building. Bakit? Kapag kinuha niya lahat ng mga recycled na scrap na steel sa buong mundo, including the Philippines, okay?